Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential access. Unlock your device with PIN or biometric so you can reveal credentials. Once done, open Settings, then Security or Passwords, or launch your browser and go to its Passwords/Credentials section. Make sure your account is signed in and that you have a second-factor device or recovery code available. This prevents lockout when viewing protected items. You do this because passkeys are protected credentials tied to your account and device, having 2FA ready speeds verification. You next search within Passwords or your OS credential manager for the specific site or app name to find its passkey entry. Once located, authenticate using biometric, PIN, or device password so the manager will reveal details. While viewing, note the creation date and which device created it, because that determines where you can use it. If you use browser sync or a cloud keychain, make sure sync is enabled so the passkey appears across devices. Otherwise, it stays local to one device. You finish by using the passkey for sign-in. Trigger the sign-in flow on the site or app and confirm the prompt on your device. Approve with biometrics or PIN. Once access works, enable sync or add a recovery method so the passkey is available on other devices later. If the passkey is missing, check other signed-in devices or browser profiles, verify sync settings, and use recovery codes. If still blocked, remove and re-register a new passkey on the site while signed in via alternate authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.